Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic REST Commander tutorial how to change text size. So as example, you can create text by using the text command. So for the start position, I will click here, and for text height 30, press enter, enter again, and you can set the text like example, click outside and press escape button to close. The second, I will use mtext command. Okay, we create in here. Set for the height 30 and set the names example. Click OK to apply. Now, if you want to change this text size, you can use the properties tools. You can select and then go to properties, and in here height 30 you can set like 10. Press enter to apply. So you can set again like 20. Enter to apply. Also same with these mtext objects. You can select the object and then you can change for the text height like 40 and enter again. Or you can double click and then move into the edit node. In here you can change like into 10. Press enter to apply, but you need to sort the text objects and set into 10 for the text height. Click OK to apply. Okay, that's it for basic REST Commander tutorial, how to change text size. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.